Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a product from your store on your Squarespace site so that it is no longer found on your website. So here we are on my demo website. The first thing I'm going to do is go to Pages. And then once I'm in here, I will go to my actual shop. So you'll know it's a shop if it has a little cart by it. So we will click on that. And then from there, we'll go into a product. So as you can see here, I just have one product. But you just find the product that you're looking for, click the three little dots, and then click Edit. Once you do that, you'll see a page that looks like this. This page is changing every here and there, so just bear in mind it might look a little bit different, but it should look something like this. And then what you're going to look for is visibility. So here where it says visibility, you'll see it says public, and you'll change this to hidden. So this feature is a little bit hidden, but this is where you can make those adjustments. And then also you'll have to hit save once you're done. So this does not delete it, it just hides it. If you want to delete it, you hit the trash can in the top corner here, but this just hides it from your site. So I'll hit save. And as you'll see, it actually removed it. It's the only product on my store. And so it removed it from visibility on the page. If I go back and hit edit and I need to show it, it actually just works the same exact way, right? So visibility, you could schedule it, but you can make it public. I'll hit save. You're good to go. Now, if you're getting a lot of traffic if you're going to hide a lot of products, just bear in mind that that does affect, or it's worth thinking about SEO when you do that. So if you're replacing a product with a new product, you could set up 301 redirects, which just Google it and see what you could do there. If you're just hiding a bunch of stuff, just hide it. But just bear in mind that if you're constantly hiding products from your store and making them visible for SEO purposes or your Google Merchant account, you just want to do that in the best way possible. So you could keep something visible and have it be sold out, and then just move it to the bottom of your list. So there are a few options. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, but just those are the other features. If you need to hide it, that is the walkthrough of how you hide a product on your site. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.